Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another useful and informative video which is about how to fix AirDrop notification not showing on iPhone iOS 17 after update. So how to fix this issue? First of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest video. So do not waste any time. First solution you have, reset iPhone to factory settings. So you have open the setting and then you have scroll up, then you have click on general, scroll up, then you have click on transfer or reset iPhone. So then you have click on erase all content settings. So then you have continue. Erase will remove your personal data, so this your iPhone can be safely deleted and are given away. The following items will be safely removed this iPhone. So then you have any data you have copy, well you have USB or any other device you have copy your iPhone data. Then second solution you have check iOS 17 update. So then you have again open the setting, then you have click on general, then you have click on software update. iOS latest version available, so you have must be installed on your iPhone. Then third solution you have force the restart your iPhone. Go back from here. So then you have press the volume up button, volume down button, press the power button. When you see appears Apple logo on your screen, then 10 to 20 seconds wait, then your mobile is restarted, then your problem will be fixed. Then fourth solution you have network setting reset. So then you have open the setting, click on general, scroll up, then you have click on transfer or reset, then you have click on reset network setting. iPhone given a passcode, then you have enter a passcode. Do not lose any data on your iPhone, only reset all network setting on iPhone. Go back from here. Then fifth solution you have AirDrop receiving settings. So then you have open the control center. So then you have click on Wi-Fi. So then you have click on AirDrop. So you have select the everyone or contents only. So then you want on your iPhone, not you have select the receiving off. Then other solution you have personal hotspot turn off. So then you have same again open the control center, then you have click on Wi-Fi, click on personal hotspot. I have already turned off, so then you have must be turned off. Then last solution you have turn on Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. So then you have open the setting, click on Bluetooth, you have turn on. I have already turned on, then you have must be turn on, and then you have turn on the Wi-Fi. So then you have connect any network. So you have, hopefully guys, after watching this video you will all know. If you have any problem, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video. Do not forget subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz.